Hi, it's Christian here again from the ZionWorx team, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about understanding themes. Now you may be familiar with the term theme. Windows OS has themes that you can apply. Maybe on your smartphone you've got themes as well that change the look and feel and change the background desktop picture, etc. This is exactly the kind of thing we're talking about in ZionWorx, and the thing that we're theming is are the items that we're presenting. So, for example, a song, we're theming a song, or we're theming a Bible passage, or we might be theming a video. And all that means is that we're taking that item and we're changing the look and feel of it, sometimes in very dramatic ways. And the beauty of this is that we can apply themes instantly and very quickly change the look and feel of things. And they're a lot of fun as well. Now, first off, let's just have a look in the options and see where the themes are all stored. If you go down to the Themes tab, here we are. This is the root folder at the top, and all the themes are within that folder. Now we can change that folder to point to a different collection of themes if we want to. This would be very useful if you've got a Dropbox folder or something that you want to synchronize with everyone in your team. You can change the folder using this button here and select some different source of themes and restart, and then you'll see the themes populate in the theme gallery, which is over here, the themes library. And in the themes library you'll see thumbnails of all the themes that you've got installed, and you'll see a count at the top. Now, one of the things we've worked hard on with themes as a concept is that they should be shareable. We want to encourage people that have got good artistic gifts to develop these kinds of appealing things, to share their creativity and their work with people that don't, like me. And to that end, we've designed a theme to be a single file, and it's a .zwt file, a ZionWorx theme, and it's essentially a zip archive file, if that means anything to you. It's a single file which is a package containing other things. So it means that you can distribute this single file, you could email it as an attachment to somebody, you could put these files on a website and other people can download them and use them. So we really want to encourage sharing of themes, so we can all have good high quality presentation in what we're doing. So to install a theme, I'm just going to run through that process with you. Let's assume that I've just been sent a theme by my artistic friend. It came through as an email attachment, and I've got it now on my PC, and I want to install it into ZionWorx. So here's the file that I've been given, called singlecandle.zwt. I don't know what it looks like yet, but I'm going to install it into ZionWorx, and all I need to do is just click it in Windows Explorer and drag it and drop it somewhere in an empty space in the themes library. And there it is, single candle, and it's appeared with a thumbnail straight away, and it's now ready to use. Simple as that. The other way, if you're creating themes and you want to export a theme that you've created, the way to do that is to select the theme you want to export, and then there's this button down here, create a new theme package. You click this, and then you put in a name for the theme file and save, and it will be saved. Okay, so we're not going to go into the details of editing themes in this video, but what we are going to talk about is the concepts that you need to understand to be able to use ZionWorx effectively and apply themes effectively. If we look in settings, in the options here, back on the themes tab, you'll see down here this area which is for defining default themes for playlist items. Now, a playlist item is just a generic name for the things that we're presenting: songs, Bible passages, quick slides, videos, live video inputs. And each of these different things, here they are in the list, can have a different default theme, which means that when you add a song, for example, into the playlist, it will have this default theme, which is currently white on black. When you create a Bible passage and drop that into the playlist, it will have the stained glass theme applied, and so on. So what you can do is, as you're configuring ZionWorx and setting it up, you can create a number of themes that fit what you're doing, and you can define these default themes for these specific things however you wish. And if we go back into the theme gallery, over here, the theme library, you'll see that some of these themes have a little overlay icon on them, a little yellow star, and this means that they are used as a default. So you can see what matches over here. We've got this iPad frame theme here with a camera icon and a star, and we can see the iPad frame here is for live video for the camera feeds. Similarly, the letterbox theme is for the image shows. White on black there is for the songs, and this happy birthday theme down here is for quick slides, and the Bible is presumably down below. There we are, stained glass. So this is what these icons all mean, and as you change the options in here, then these icons will move to whichever one, so you can see what the default is. So let's just take, for an example, let's just add a Bible passage into the playlist from Bible Gateway. Just pick something at random. It's a good passage. Okay, so let's just drop that into the playlist, this passage, and we can see it's got the stained glass theme applied, just like the default said. And if we just activate that and present it, this is the stained glass theme here, which matches this thumbnail down here. Okay, so that's what's happening. Now, if we decide we want to apply a different theme to this, okay, all we need to do is just select the theme we want to apply, and then drag it and drop it onto this target area that pops up. I'll show you that again. So as you hover over, the target area pops up, drop it there, and then it will be applied. And see what happened. We've got a completely different look and feel. All the text has been repaginated into different slides, and off you go. So this is the beauty of applying themes. Similarly, if we wanted to apply this Heavens Above one, for example, that's got a video background, drag, hover over, drop. Okay, and actually that theme isn't set up for Bibles, that's why it's not showing properly. Let's do white on black one instead. There we are. So again, that's a very basic theme there, but might be what you want. Okay, so you can see themes are very quick to apply, to install, and to export. And I'm not going to go into theme editing, but I will show you very quickly one of the common things that you will want to do, even if you never get into theme editing and you're not that way inclined, is you might want to change the size of a font. Okay, so let's just pop a song in here, for example, and present that. This is using white on black. Okay, we might want to change the font here so that we don't have these slides that have got very little on them. So to do that, you can see down here you've got 6 slides currently being used. If you open the theme editor, you can just change the font size. And this is the font information up here, and it's currently using font size 9. So we'll just hit this button to shrink the font and see what happens. There we are. So it's now gone neatly onto 4 slides, just with one click, and now that's absolutely great for presenting. So that will do the job nicely. So that's probably the most common thing you'll do, is just changing the font size just to tweak something. Okay, in a future video I will go into detail about the theme editor, and lots of exciting things there. But don't be afraid of themes. They're very powerful and they're there to make life easy. And just remember that the key thing when you're configuring ZionWorx is to set up these defaults to what you want them to be, so that you get the right thing first time generally when you add it to the playlist. Okay, thanks for watching.